A villa in Leipzig, modernized with great effort. Nothing reminds of the once moist walls. You will find out the reason only by going down to the basement. Diploma engineer Udo Rinne, building surveyor and an expert, has installed a number of measuring instruments down here, by means of which he can check and examine the moisture inside the walls. With this geological procedure, a four-electrode method, we detect the reduction of moisture as a result of an ascending specific resistance in the structural component. When analyzing the initial situation, the expert determined a moisture content of 14% in the brick walls. In order to dry the brickwork, he relied on an electrophysical principle, the movement of electrically charged particles through material within an electrical field. Such an electric field can also be generated in the moist and thus highly conductive basement walls of a house. The best way to do this is by using electrodes. There are many superfine capillary tubes within the brickwork. These capillary tubes contain millions of moving colloids, superfine nano-sized particles. Such colloids are surrounded by a non-directional ionic cloud. When a direct voltage is applied to the brickwork via the electrodes, the ionic cloud will be directed, and the colloids will have a positively charged shell. The particles will move towards the ground. Our highest negative potential, thus drawing the water with them down into the ground. The brickwork will dry up. This process can be demonstrated in a test. The bricks show how the principle works. The negative pole clearly shows the salts flushed out. The closer you come to the positive pole, the more both moisture and conductivity of the brick will reduce. Upon application of the voltage, the water has left in the direction of the negative pole. An electrophysical reaction has taken place. After we had dried it using DRYMAT, we found out that the moisture weight percentage of this building of approximately 14% has been reduced down to approximately 0.5%. Thus, it became clear to us that this building has dried up with a lasting effect. The system used for drying is the DRYMAT system. By connecting several electrodes and reference potentials in series, a very large effect radius of the system can be achieved. In view of the high effective power of the DRYMAT system, it is currently the most powerful system available on the European market.